Hi, this is Litre Motor Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6154. This ran from 09-2007 to the 12-2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by automatic transmission. This is a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,